No service. Middle of nowhere. No cars around. Eli, what do we do?
Ran out of gas.
We ran out of gas. It's okay, we got a light and snacks though. We do have a generator with gas, but we don't know how to get the gas out of the generator. That gas tank is empty.
Okay, there's a hose. There's a hose.
On the whole time.
Found a water hose in the trailer.
Starts recording like Mr. Bean.
No, I saw
Cut a piece off, and now we're gonna siphon out of the
because
generator.
once it's running out, I'll tilt it up so we get.
Arthur gets the pleasures. Ooh,
Oh, clot.
yeah, easy.
Gas.
If we don't make it to the next gas station, your fault.
Uh-oh, I hear us slowing down.
And I'm out.
So we just used all the gas out of the generator. If this doesn't get us to the next, if this doesn't get us to the gas station, no, we're not gonna have a generator to sleep in the RV. It's gonna be cold.
Dude, this is a make it or break it situation.
We're risking it all right now.
Yeah, we actually were able to get like 5 gallons out of that generator, so hopefully we make it to the next gas station.
Shampoo.
10 minutes later, here we are again. Alrighty, we got some gas.
To the very tip.
So Peter and Oleg win with this guy. This guy in a Dodge Ram pulled over.
I thought we drove to Alaska. Bro, we just filled up this right here. That thing, this thing, our pockets, this with gas.
Oh, at least we made it to the gas station. We got like an hour drive maybe to the spot. But yeah, we should be good with gas now. Dinner. So
Oh man. It's fine, I got like 30 feet of strap.
Alright. We are here.
Wait, you said Eli's going to Safeway right now?
No.
Alright, so we're going.
Wait, go check the load.
The hot springs is down there where all the steam's coming out of. It's about 27 degrees outside. Everything's frozen. They have a stabilizer.
Садись, прокачу. Womp.
Чё там, Олег?
Not bad.
No, it has some kind of a chain drive.
Technology is honestly softer than like my phone.
Oh, this is a manure top.
That's too good.
The gas tank fell over. Gas everywhere. Oh, where's your backpack?
With my bullets in there.
Soaked his backpack. Where is it?
I put it on the other side now.
This thing is soaked
Dude,
with
how
gas.
you splashed up so high?
Because look, it flipped off.
There's what? The bushel is too small. Rabbits can have some hawks or eagles. Alright, whatever moves the bull right there.
I'm recording, go. I flew away. Yep.
Oh.
You missed. There's more behind you. No. There's one flying around behind you.
Bro, birds is sick.
Birds are so easy to clean.
Flying pigeons.
Anyone got a knife on them?
There's one right here. Oleg.
It's at the
Oh,
top
on top of the tree.
Oh, it's an otter. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little one. Oh.
Yep, it's a goner. Hey, don't shoot. Oh, it's falling.